offsetting of cable tray or trunking, fabrication and installation of trunking. Purpose: measurement for fabrication of cable tray or trunking. Scope: fabrication and installation of cable tray or trunking. Reference: technical specification, plan layout, approved materials, actual routing layout and shop drawings. Procedure: Step 1. Study the plan layout versus actual routing layout of cable tray/trunking. Verify approved materials based on technical specification for the cited scope of works. Step 2. After confirmation, prepare all necessary material and tools to be needed for fabrication and installation. Step 3. Upon the fabrication of cable tray/trunking or ongoing, the supervisor at the said activity for installation will conduct a survey or verification of the area to coordinate with other trade contractor if there is a clashes on their layout. Step 4. Layout and installation of support. Preparation of the area, put marking and use laser or straight marker for straightings of layout of support installation. After the layout of straight marker installation of threaded rod, drill first the furlings where the support pin fix in a standard distance. Install strut channel and fix with nut and washer. Step 5. Install cable tray/trunking fix with the cable tray coupler, including fittings such as elbow vertical/horizontal, T, reducer and end cap. Install ground jumper every connection of cable tray/trunking. Step 6. All activity shall be executed with proper safety gear and proper tools for safe work always. Note: wear PPE''SS always at all time in workplaces. Use proper tools for fabrication. Stand by fire extinguisher while conducting hot works. Step 7. All activities must be coordinated to the construction management coordinator to inform other trades if there is any conflict.